Hi everyone! For work I will use 1.4 millimeters crochet hook and a ball of cotton yarn 169 meters in 50 grams. You can use wool yarn and 4 millimeters crochet hook. You can choose your favorite color of yarn. All information about the tools and useful links could be found in the description of this video tutorial. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the flower. I will begin from the foundation ring. Make chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. It is going to be a round of single crochet. Make a chain. I will not use it. Make 10 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10. Well done. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the first single crochet, make a slip stitch. While I was making single crochet, I removed a long piece of yarn. Let's crochet the petals. It is going to be round 2. Make a chain. I will not use it. Insert the hook into the first single crochet, make single crochet. Continue. Make chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. Well done. Yarn over the hook twice. Well done. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Make treble crochet. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the next stitch and make 2 treble crochet. Make the first one and make the second one into the same stitch. Well done. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. Then chain of 3 and single crochet into the same stitch that I worked before. Here what I have. My first petal is ready. Let's crochet the second petal. Make chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the stitch that I worked before. This is the previous stitch. Make treble crochet. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Make treble crochet twice. Make the first one. Make the second one. Here what I have. Yarn over the hook twice. Make treble crochet into the next stitch. Chain of 3 and single crochet into the same stitch. Second petal is ready. In total it should be 5 of them. I will start the third one and you should continue working with your own. Chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Make treble crochet. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete it. I'm about to complete this round. This is the round of petals. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the stitch that I worked on the beginning. Make treble crochet. Chain of 3. Insert the hook into the single crochet. This is the single crochet that is on the beginning of this round. Make a slip stitch. To secure the yarn by making a chain, I have already cut off my yarn. My flower is ready. I turn it on the back side and I will remove the yarn along the stitches using the sewing needle or crochet hook. And let's look what I have done. So that's it, my project is ready. My cute 5-petal flower is done. Here how it looks. In this case I used wool yarn, but in this video I used cotton yarn. All additional information about the tools, kind of tools, you can find in the description of this video tutorial. It could be like a decoration or it could be part of Irish or guipure laces. Or you can combine this flower with leaves and you will get amazing composition. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. Don't miss my new video tutorials. See you in the next video. Good luck in crocheting and bye!